Hello, this is Sam from STMB TV, and I'm making this video for Ollie of the YouTube channel Law of Ollie. Link somewhere around. Okay, so I've been asked to explain something called VLOOKUP. This was talked about in a recent class we both took, and he wanted it in a better explanation. So, basically, what VLOOKUP allows you to do is it allows you to look up data like a search function. So, for the purposes of this, I will talk you through it. This current search table is designed for you to enter a number between 1 and 26, and it will tell you what letter of the alphabet it is. So 5, it will come up with E, 20, the letter T, and let's say, 26, the letter Z. Okay? Now, how it does that is by searching this table here. Now, this table contains all of the letters, numbers, and then their corresponding letters. So, what's this thing? So, VLOOKUP. The first thing in the VLOOKUP selection here is where you want to get the number or whatever you're searching from. So I've got it from here next to my search. The next thing is where you get your data from. This is called the table array. This is my current table array. Oops. Right, my current table array is this area here. So, that's the table array. We want to get it from column 2 of the table array. So let's go to the table array. See, column 1, that's our input. Oops, fail. Okay, and then 2 here provides us with our output. And then this end part here, true or false. If it's false, then it's an exact search, and if it's true, it's an approximate. So we're getting our output from the second column, our data from this range here. Why is that in twice? Okay, our data from this range here on this sheet. Close that. Okay, right, our data from this range here on this sheet, and what we're looking up from this one here. Now, he also wanted me to make an example. Yeah, he also wanted me to make an example of how you could do this to make a grade marking thing. So let's just go. What you probably would do would be an if statement, but I'll show you how you can do it with this. So it's a bit more complicated. So let's just say, call this grades. Okay, so let's say we've got a test out of 10, so we've got 10 possible marks. Those marks are 1, 2, and then everything beyond that, so 1 through 10. So let's say we want to give A's for this, B's for this. I don't know, let's make A more limited. B's for this, C's for this, this, and then D's for the remaining 4. Okay. Now, we're not going to worry about plus or minus. So this is our grading table. So now let's create a new sheet for the actual marking. So, let's say we've got some students. We've got Bob. Actually, yeah, we've got Bob. We got Ollie, who I'm making this for because he's mega keen. We got Chris with his diamond mouse, and we have got Sweden. Oh, whoa, okay, whatever I clicked, that's not very helpful. I will worry about that later. So, I'm really screwing this up. Okay, so, let's say Bob got, I don't know, 5 in his test. Ollie, he's keen, he got 10. Chris got 2, and then Sweden is completely awesome, but not as keen as Ollie, so 9. So hopefully is this going to give us a D as well? Well, it's going to give us a C. Yes, it will. Okay, so we would want the grades for this table to appear next to their name. Yeah. So I just set up like an actual table in the middle of somewhere. Convenient. Name. Score. Grade. Okay, so the grade for this one is going to be equals VLOOKUP Okay, we want to look it up from here, so we can change that data on the fly. This is our grade table. We want second column to be our output, and we want it to be an exact match. Putting a space here because, well, I'm like that. Okay, so that gives us this one. So this is telling us that Bob got a C. Now, if we just copy this, it's not automatically changed it. There is a 2 on our grade table. Alright, so what's gone on here? So we got, it's got, oh, damn, right. So 2's on the table. So why is it not getting this? I've done the grades the wrong way around. You've all probably noticed this. I will fix this. Okay, so what's gone on here? Well, these are right. Well, let's redo Chris's again, just to make sure. So, equals VLOOKUP. We're going to use this as an example. Lookup value. We want to take our value from here. We want to get our table, same as all the others here. We want to get column 2, and we want it to be exact. Okay. There we go. So this one has a comment on it. This is... Never mind. Okay, so there you can see, that's how you could use it for marking grades, Ollie. So we can change this on the say. Let's say Bob actually got a 2. Ollie's mega keen, he's still got 10. Chris is terrible, he got a 1 instead, stays the same, but let's say he got up to a 6, see. And you know, they will all automatically update. And you could just, you know, drag that down and fill up as many as you wanted. Obviously these are all taking data that isn't here, so if I were to fill in this data, it would work with something that was valid. Yeah. Anyway. Thank you for watching. This has been my tutorial on VLOOKUP. I hope this has been helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.